Oh, heck yeah. Dang, they got them things wrapped up tight. Good gracious. And look at this. The freaking, like the bead comes over the bead of the wheel. So, needless to say, she got some serious protection. My experience, just let it come down. She do alright. How about that? Huh? Worked. The only thing I don't like about this is when I go to rock my hand, I hit the freaking button and it'll bounce it the other way, but otherwise, she's good to go. I have to be careful because of my freaking back. I'm close. I don't know if it's going to be high enough or not. Ha-ha! How about that? Using the torque. And yes, I know I should not have an extension, but I can't get in there any other way. Alright. Oh yeah. Alright, the front one's on. See if it clears the caliper. Sounds good. Heck, to be honest with you, it almost looks like it's got more room than the back did. I don't know how that's possible, but anyway. Alright, yeah, I'm pretty in love. Dude, it's sweet. Driveway is angled a little bit, so it adds to the rate, but it does sit up in the back a little bit. Oh man, it looks good. Dude, I'm happy. I'm super happy. And I bet you don't rub for nothing. Alright y'all, well that's it. I appreciate y'all checking it out. I think next up's going to be some amp steps, so I'll put up a video when we do that. Y'all let me know in the comments if anybody's got any idea. I guess do people just take that middle skid plate off right there? Because I feel like when I see pictures of other dudes' trucks, it ain't hanging down like that, but I hate to take a daggone skid plate off. But man, it looks a lot better without that step on there. My wife said it looks so different with it not being wide, but I think she looks lean and mean. I like it. Heck yeah. I mean, it don't look bad with the step on there, but I definitely like it without. Appreciate y'all checking it out. Another one coming.